In this video section, we'll see part B for third problem and a network diagram. Okay. Activity is given A, B, C up to K. This is the given problem. C activity is given up to K. Okay. Predecessor activities, first activities there is no predecessor, second activities there is no predecessor, and third activities is A is the predecessor, and for D, B is the predecessor, and for E, C, D is the predecessor, and B is for F, B is the predecessor, for G, C and D, and for H, G and F, and then for I, E is the predecessor, for J, H and I, okay, for K, J. Okay, so use pencil to do network diagram until you get practice. Okay, see, for A there is no predecessor, for B is also there is no predecessor. So I am going to do like this because there is no predecessor for A and B, no. So same node you can start. This is A and this is B. Okay, so put 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then for C, A is the predecessor. Okay, for C, A is the predecessor. And this is fourth node and this is C. For C, A is the predecessor. And for D, B is the predecessor. Okay. I'll use pencil here. Fifth node and this one D. B is the predecessor, and see here, a problem is given here. C and D, E is the predecessor. See, C is here, D is here, and if I put one node here, then this will be a dongling. Is it clear? So what I am going to do, C and D and E is the predecessor. No, I am going to join this one here instead of doing here. So first, after seeing this one, I have put separately. But see the next one, C and D. For E, C and D is the predecessor. C and D. C is here and D is here. So if you put separately, then you have to put one dummy. Instead of avoiding that, so I am going to take here. Is it clear? So now this is D. So now C and D, E is the predecessor. I am just explaining you by using pencil and eraser. So it will be easy to make you to understand why I put first here, because I want to show unnecessarily you should not add a dummy. That is very important. Simply you can add dummy everywhere, but you should not. Wherever it's necessary only you have to add a dummy. Okay, here dummy is not necessary. That's why I rubbed it. I've joined here. Now C and D is a predecessor for E. Okay, so now what is the node? Fourth node is over, no? So I put fifth node here. Is it clear? Next, if you see here, FB. Okay, for F, B is the predecessor. Where is B? This is B. Okay, so separately I am doing one more node 6 and this is F. So for F, B is the predecessor. Okay, I use pencil, later will so now you can understand this one. Okay, later we can fare it. Okay, now F over. Next one is C and D. G is the predecessor. Where is C and D? Already C and D is here, no? C and D. G is also for G, C and D is a predecessor. So I put one line here. Okay, 6 is over, 7 and G. G activity is also over. So for G, see the predecessor C and D. Okay, now G and F for H. Okay, next one is G and F, the predecessor for H activity. G and F, where it is G and F. See, now if you add dummy here, then it is unnecessarily you are adding dummy. It is wrong. So instead of that, I am going to rub this one. I am going to join here and I am going to make it 6. Is it clear? Like this only you have to do it. Use pencil, then it will be easy. So now I am going to join this one. Unnecessarily node you can avoid, dummy you can avoid. And this is F, no? Now F and G. So predecessor for H. Okay, this is 5 node and you can make it, this is 6th node, and I am going to do H here. 6th is over, no? Now 7. Is it clear? Why I joined here? Because when I put separately, I have to draw one dummy. That's why I erased it and I joined here. Now if you see G and F, for H, G and F is the predecessor. Okay. Now this H is over. Next I. E is the predecessor. Where is E? Here. Okay. So add 1. 7 over, no? 8. You put 8 here and here you put I. I activity is over. Now you see for J, H and I is the predecessor. Where is H? H is here and I is here. And if you draw separately, then you have to draw one dummy here. So instead of that, I am going to join this node and this node here. Okay. So erase it and join it here. Okay. This is H. Now if you see H and I is the predecessor for J. Okay, so this is 6th node. Make this one is 7th node and this one is 8th node. Is it clear now? And this is what? J. So H is over, H is over, I is over, J is over. Last one is K. K, which is the predecessor? J is the predecessor. J is alone, isn't it? So draw here like this. Make it a 9th node and this is called J activity. Now see A, B, C, D, E is there, F, G, H, I, J and K. Okay. Okay. Now I have not done any dummy activity here. So dummy activities is not necessary. You can, if you join that particular node properly, you won't get dummy activity. Now you can rub this one and you can draw it in pen. Okay. You can make. So this is our network diagram without any dummy unnecessarily. You should not do a dummy. Think about the previous activity, you just see and make it correct it yourself. Okay, so it will be easy for you if you do 1 or 2 problems. Okay, if you know to do this diagram properly, then only you can we can start with the PERT and CPM. Okay, PERT and CPM, after doing this one only it will be easy to do it. So if you make any mistake in network diagram, then you won't get the PERT and CPM properly. Okay, PERT and CPM is a part of a network diagram. You have to identify what is the longest duration to complete the entire project. So that we will see in the next video. Okay, so practice this. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you. This is 4th problem, network diagram. See, this is activity is given, the down is your predecessor activity. So this is activity and this is predecessor activity. Okay, A, B, C, D up to L. Okay, and this is first activity, there is no predecessor, dash, then A is the predecessor, A is the predecessor, B, C, B, D and E is the predecessor, and C, F, H, G, I, J. This 3 is the predecessor for K. Okay, and for L, K is the predecessor. Okay, this is the given problem. We'll start with first node. Okay. And this is A. Okay. So A have done, there is no predecessor, and for B, A is the predecessor, and for C is also A is the predecessor. So for one node we can do 2 activity. Okay, this is 3rd one and this is 4th one, and this is B. For B, A is the predecessor, and for C is also A is the predecessor, and for D, B is the predecessor. Okay, so I am doing like this. 4th node is over now. 5th node. for D, B is the predecessor. So this is B, no? So for D, B is the predecessor. So I've done. And for E, C is the predecessor. Where is C here? C is the predecessor. And if you see next one, F, B is the predecessor. Okay. And B is the predecessor. See, like this you have to check, because if I put separately and if I put E, and here if you see here, D and E is the predecessor for G. Okay, D is here and E if I put, then I can make it G. Okay, so if I put E here, then I can do G here. So for G, B and D and E is the predecessor. Okay, now F I have to do. So okay, so first I have done this one, then I have went here, because I saw here D and E is the predecessor for G. So D and E is the predecessor for G, I have done here. Okay, now this is over. And this is left, no? F is left. So B is the predecessor. Here is B is here. So I have taken separately. Okay. So this is F. Okay. Next, if you see C. C for H, C is the predecessor. Where is C here? So I didn't put the node. Okay. Let me see whether I can join here or I can put a separate node. Let me see it later. Okay. Here if you see for C activity, for H activity, C is the predecessor. Here is C is there, no? So I've taken here H. Okay. Then for I, F is the predecessor. Where is F here? F. Okay. So separately I can do it. Okay. So this is 6, no? This is 7 and this is 8, and I can make it I here. Okay, let me check whether I can join here or not. Okay, and I is over. J, H is the predecessor. Where is H here? Here H. So for J, H is the predecessor. Okay, use pencil, then only it will be easy for you. So for J, H, no? So I put separately here, and if I put J here, for J, H is the predecessor, and C, K. So for K, 3 activities are there. So for K, 3 activities are there. One is G, I, J. So this is I, J and G. Is it clear now? See. Okay. So 3 activities I have to take K. So instead of doing one node here, you can join here. Okay. This you can avoid here, and you can join here and put I here. Then you can, instead of put separately, you can join here. Okay. That's why I said use pencil first. Okay. So now see, this is J. So J, G and I. So J, G and I is K. After that you have to do K activity. Okay. Now if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is correct, then it is 9. Okay. Here you can make it K. After completing K, then L. 10th node. L. This is wrong. Okay. So you can join all these 3, because after doing this 3 activity you can start K. Okay, that's why. So you can avoid that. Okay, like this you have to do. I hope you understand this problem, 4th problem. Okay, thank you.